Yon. So, good evening guys. Hello Elijah.
Hello.
So now, I will challenge my son to sell to me this ball pen. I will teach him the process of, marketing and maybe in the future, because earlier he asked me if he becomes a businessman someday. He is asking me the skill on how to sell things. Sige, Elijah, sell me that ball pen.
I will sell this ball pen for you for a cheaper price.
Okay.
This ball pen lasts for a 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years.
Okay.
And this ball pen writes for very fine.
Very fine. Okay. So that's how you sell to me that ball pen?
Yes.
Can you give me discount?
Yes.
How much discount you will give me?
5% discount.
5% discount? Wow, that's good. But now I will tell you, or I will teach you how to sell that ball pen in a very fast way. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. So here's a pad. Open the pad at the last page. Okay, so you find there a blank space here, somewhere here. Okay. So I will tell you now to write your name there.
Long ball pen.
Ano yan?
Long ball pen.
So you cannot write your name there.
Yes.
So here's the ball pen. You need to buy the ball pen to me. You see? The law of supply and demand. Sabi mga anak, law of the law of
supply and demand.
yan. So you demand a ball pen, you need a ball pen, I have the ball pen. So you will buy it to me. Sometimes because you need it very urgent, you will buy this on a higher price. Did you learn something today?
Yes.
You see, the law of
Supply
and demand. Okay, very good, Elijah. Appear. Yay!